Good morning, cutie patooties. So we are going to be doing Variant Vowels, Unit 6, Week 1, Lesson 9. We're working on spelling today. So variant vowels are when you have two vowels together, that by placing them together, it makes a sound they would not be able to make on their own. So you're going to be using the worksheet here today. You're also going to be using your text for close reading. You're going to be working on Androcles and the Lion, which you've already read, and a new one. I'll show you that in a minute. So first, you're going to be rereading just paragraph 1. We're going to be underlining the words paw and causing. So let's go ahead and do that. Paragraph 1 of Androcles and the Lion. Back in the days of the Roman Empire, a slave named Androcles escaped from his master and then fled into the deep, dark forest. While wandering about in the dense woods, he came upon a lion lying down and loudly moaning and groaning. At first, Androcles turned to flee, but finding the lion did not pursue him, he turned back and went up to the beast. As he came near, the lion put out his paw. So we're going to go ahead and underline that. Paw, which was swollen and bleeding. Androcles found that the huge thorn had gotten to the paw, and that was causing the lion's pain. Okay, so we have two different spellings. We have paw with an AW and causing with an AU. So there's two different ways to spell this, AW and AU, but it makes the same sound. So over here, this sound, when you see it in writing, it looks like this. It's an O with a pyramid on top, and it makes that aw sound, aw. We also have words walk, also, and fall. We're going to be circling these letters, all and all. So we're going to head and circle this. We're just going to highlight this right here. We're going to highlight this right there. And we're going to highlight it. We're going to do this right there. We're going to highlight it. And we're going to circle or highlight this one right here too. Okay. These words have the aw sound too. However, the sound is represented by the letters A-L together. So that's also interesting that you can make the A makes a different sound when you place it next to the L. The sound can kind of vary, that like the alk in walk, the wa-ok, ok, the L is not pronounced. But in words like also and salt, we do pronounce the L. And in words with A-L-L, we also say that ah sound plus the L, like fall. So we have these words here already sorted in this chart. Claw, chalk, cause, small, and always. I've sorted them here for you under their spelling and also by their sound. So we're going to be sorting these words into a chart. You're going to be doing that one on your own, thinking about the sound and how they're spelled. Okay. The next step, you are going to be reading through page 10 in your text for close reading. Are there any of the words you found with the same vowel sound? We're going to circle our spelling words. Our spelling words are right here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight those. They are also found on the back right through here. So spelling words. Launched, because, always, jaws, awesome, stock, fond, installment. So in our text for close reading, we're going to go ahead and go to the pen, get the pen out of there, and go to page 10. Sinbad and the Valley of Diamonds. Sinbad the sailor, we're looking with all of those, okay, is the hero of Arabian folk tales. He undertakes 7 voyages. In this installment, so I'm going to go ahead and circle that sound right in there. Boom, installment. Sinbad's ship accidentally, it doesn't really make the same sound. Installment, accidentally, I'll circle it. accidentally left him behind on an island inhabited by a roc, a gigantic legendary bird. Sinbad uses his turban to bind himself to the roc's huge leg. When the bird takes flight, it transports Sinbad to a valley of diamonds. Oh, there's that other AL sound. And diamonds. I'd always believed the stories about a valley of diamonds were tall tales. Oh, so we have tall, ale, ale, ale. Kind of changes the sound. Valley. I think we're going to look for, I'm going to go ahead and erase this one because I don't think that really works for our sound. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to be reading through and you're looking for those words. Specifically your spelling words. Launched, because, always, jaws, awesome, stock, fond, and installment. You're going to look for those words, and you're also going to be looking for any other words that has the variant vowel spellings and sound. So it needs to sound like aw and have the same spellings. When you're done with all of your spellings on here, looking for that sound, you will then type your spelling in each time, 5 different times. You can just type it in. And you're going to be doing a quizzes on our Google Classroom. So the quiz is just right through there. It's a variant vowel quizzes. You can take it as many times as you want to. Okay. If you have any questions, please email me. A little bit more there, but it's a little bit more fun than you were doing yesterday with your grammar. I'll see you later.